Best Victorinox Knife. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best Victorinox knives. From outdoor adventures to kitchen essentials, Victorinox offers a wide range of meticulously crafted knives and multi-tools to suit every need. In this video, we'll explore the top picks from Victorinox's extensive collection, highlighting their features, benefits, and applications. Whether you're an avid camper, a culinary enthusiast, or someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, there's a Victorinox knife for you. Join us as we delve into the world of Swiss-made precision and versatility.
If you're looking for the best tools in this category, you're in the right place. With our carefully put together list, you're sure to get your hands on the right knives and knife sharpness. Our buying guides are tested and true. For a more detailed idea on our picks, you can always check out the links we've put in the description box. The next knife you're about to look at is certainly one of the top choices you can make.
Victorinox Outdoor Master Mic Knife. The Outdoor Master Mic S knife is a versatile and durable tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Its full tang design ensures optimal blade strength, while the drop point blade with a Scandi grind offers easy sharpening and precise cutting. The knife features tough micarta scales on the handle for a secure grip, and it comes with a protective Kydex sheath compatible with the Techlock system. With dimensions of 0.8 inches in height, 6.1 inches in length, and 2.1 inches in width, and weighing only 3.8 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to carry. Perfect for various outdoor activities, the Mic S knife combines power, precision, and versatility for any adventure. Victorinox Classic SD Brilliant Carbon Knife. The Classic SD Brilliant Carbon Pocket Knife combines high-tech innovation with elegant design. Crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, it offers durability and strength without sacrificing style. The carbon fiber scales feature a distinctive cross and shield charm, adding a touch of iconic Victorinox flair. This compact knife boasts 5 essential functions, including scissors and a nail file with a screwdriver, making it a versatile everyday tool. With dimensions of 0.4 inches in height, 2.3 inches in length, and 0.7 inches in width, and weighing just 0.7 ounces, it's easy to carry in your pocket or on a keyring. Elevate your everyday carry with the Classic SD Brilliant Carbon Pocket Knife. Victorinox Classic SD Brilliant Crystal Knife. The Classic SD Brilliant Crystal Pocket Knife adds a touch of glamour to your everyday carry. Encrusted with high-quality crystals, each knife sparkles with unique beauty, elevating its appearance to a luxurious level. Despite its dazzling exterior, this Swiss-made knife maintains impeccable functionality, offering 5 essential tools including scissors and a nail file with a screwdriver. The glittering crystal scales feature a cross and shield charm, enhancing its exclusive appeal. With dimensions of 0.3 inches in height, 2.3 inches in length, and 0.7 inches in width, and weighing just 0.8 ounces, it's compact and lightweight for easy carrying. Each knife comes with an attachable charm and gift box, making it a perfect addition to your collection or a thoughtful gift for someone special. Victorinox Swiss Classic Paring Knife. Introducing the Paring Knife Trio, a vibrant addition to any kitchen. This set features 3 high-quality knives designed to tackle a variety of cutting tasks with ease. From slicing fruits to dicing vegetables, the straight edge and wavy edge blades offer versatility for all your culinary needs. The rainbow hues add a playful touch to your kitchen decor and make this set an ideal gift for any cooking enthusiast. Crafted from durable polypropylene, these knives are built to last. With dimensions of 0.9 inches in height, 9.8 inches in length, and 1.9 inches in width, and weighing just 3.1 ounces, they are lightweight and easy to handle. Elevate your cooking experience with the colorful and functional Paring Knife Trio. Victorinox Sentinel Knife. Introducing the Sentinel, the ultimate Swiss Army knife for those who prefer simplicity. This compact yet robust tool features a single lock blade, making it ideal for everyday tasks such as cutting threads or opening letters. Crafted with precision in Switzerland, the Sentinel boasts a streamlined design and ultra-lightweight construction for effortless handling. With dimensions of 0.5 inches in height, 4.4 inches in length, and 1.2 inches in width, and weighing just 2.5 ounces, it's easy to carry wherever you go. Made from durable polyamide, this pocket knife is built to last. Elevate your everyday carry with the reliability and functionality of the Sentinel.
Before we introduce you to the best of the bunch, come take a look at the runner-up.
Victorinox Super Tinker Knife. Meet your ultimate companion for any adventure, the Super Tinker Pocket Knife. Crafted with precision in Switzerland, this Swiss-made tool boasts 14 functions to tackle any task you encounter on your journey. From building and hacking to fixing, the Super Tinker is equipped with essential features including a Phillips screwdriver and scissors, ensuring you're always prepared for the unexpected. With dimensions of 0.7 inches in height, 3.6 inches in length, and 1 inch in width, and weighing just 3 ounces, it's compact and lightweight for easy portability. Made from durable ABS/Celador material, it's built to withstand the rigors of daily use. Elevate your EDC with the versatility and reliability of the Super Tinker Pocket Knife. Introducing the Venture Pro Kit, a meticulously crafted pouch designed to complement your Venture Pro knife. Constructed from durable 600D polyester, this multifunctional pouch is built to withstand the demands of bushcraft adventures. It includes a flat drill and 2 sharpening stones, allowing you to effortlessly drill wood and sharpen your blades on the go. With dimensions of 1.3 inches in height, 6.5 inches in length, and 2.8 inches in width, and weighing just 4.6 ounces, it's compact and lightweight for easy carry. The protective pouch ensures your tools stay secure and organized, enhancing your outdoor experience. Elevate your bushcraft skills with the Venture Pro Kit, your essential companion for outdoor expeditions. Experience the pinnacle of culinary craftsmanship with our grand Matra knives. Featuring forged steel blades and meticulously sculpted ergonomic handles, these knives offer unparalleled balance and beauty. Engineered for smooth, precise cuts every time, they effortlessly glide through ingredients with minimal effort. The straight-edge chef's knife ensures uniformity in your cuts, while the ergonomic handle provides comfort and control during prolonged use. With dimensions of 0.9 inches in height, 13.9 inches in length, and 2 inches in width, and weighing just 9.9 ounces, they are perfectly balanced for optimal performance. Elevate your culinary skills and embrace le savoir-vivre with the Grand Matra knives, a testament to precision and elegance in the kitchen. Victorinox Outrider Knife. The Outrider pocket knife strikes the perfect balance between adventure and practicality, offering 14 functions in a compact, Swiss-made design. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or tackling household tasks, this versatile tool has you covered. From wire stripping to wood sawing, its ergonomic design ensures effortless use in any situation. Key features include a long and fine Phillips screwdriver for precise work, along with integrated scissors for added utility. With dimensions of 0.8 inches in height, 4.4 inches in length, and 1.2 inches in width, and weighing just 5.5 ounces, it's conveniently portable for on-the-go use. Discover the versatility and reliability of the Outrider pocket knife for all your daily adventures. Victorinox Huntsman Knife. The Huntsman pocket knife epitomizes the Swiss Army knife legacy with its 15 functions, including essential tools like scissors and a wood saw. Perfect for outdoor adventures like hiking, camping, and climbing, it effortlessly saws through wood and cuts ropes with precision. Crafted in Switzerland, this pocket knife combines durability with versatility, ensuring you're prepared for any situation off the beaten path. With its compact dimensions of 0.8 inches in height, 3.6 inches in length, and 1 inch in width, and weighing just 3.4 ounces, it's conveniently portable for everyday carry. Elevate your outdoor experience with the legendary Huntsman pocket knife by your side. Victorinox Swiss Classic Chinese-Style Chef's Knife. Experience culinary excellence with our Swiss-made Chinese chef's knife, a versatile kitchen essential designed for chopping, cutting, and dicing with precision. Its 18 centimeters extra-wide blade effortlessly handles tasks like mincing meat, scraping dough, and portioning pizzas, enhancing your countertop efficiency. Crafted with an ergonomic handle for optimal balance and comfort, this knife ensures smooth, controlled movements during food preparation. With dimensions of 0.7 inches in height, 12.2 inches in length, and 3.3 inches in width, and weighing just 7 ounces, it's conveniently sized for everyday use. Elevate your cooking experience and discover the convenience of our Chinese chef's knife in your kitchen.
At last, we're about to get to the winning knife that checks all the boxes that a knife of this category should.
Victorinox FILDMASTR knife. Meet the ultimate companion for outdoor adventures and garden tasks, the Fieldmaster Pocket Knife. This Swiss-made multi-tool boasts 15 functions, including blades, screwdrivers, scissors, and a wood saw, ensuring you're equipped for various tasks. From camping trips to DIY projects, its versatility shines indoors and outdoors. Crafted with durable ABS/Celador material, it offers reliability and longevity. With dimensions of 0.8 inches in height, 3.6 inches in length, and 1 inch in width, and weighing just 3.5 ounces, it's compact and portable for everyday carry. Experience convenience and efficiency like never before with the Fieldmaster Pocket Knife by your side. Victorinox Swiss Classic Chef's Knife. Experience precision and efficiency in your kitchen with the chef's knife. Designed for versatility, its thin and sharp blade ensures smooth and consistent cuts on meats, fruits, and vegetables of all shapes and sizes. The ergonomic handle and balanced design provide comfort and control, making carving effortless. Crafted from durable thermoplastic elastomers, TP, it offers reliability and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. With dimensions of 0.7 inches in height, 14.9 inches in length, and 3 inches in width, and weighing just 4.9 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver. Elevate your culinary experience with the chef's knife's grace and precision. Victorinox Swiss Tool X Knife. Experience ultimate versatility with the Swiss Tool X, a sophisticated multi-tool that combines functionality with elegance. Crafted with precision engineering, this Swiss-made tool boasts 26 functions packed into a compact and portable design. From home repairs to outdoor adventures, the Swiss Tool X is equipped to handle any task with ease. Its durable steel construction ensures longevity and reliability, while the included nylon belt pouch allows for convenient carrying wherever you go. With dimensions of 0.8 inches in height, 4.5 inches in length, and 1.4 inches in width, and weighing 10.2 ounces, it's the perfect companion for tackling a million uses at home, work, or in nature. Meet the Swiss Champ, the ultimate pocket knife boasting an impressive 31 functions and sleek silver transparent scales. Whether you're navigating everyday challenges or exploring the great outdoors, this Swiss-made multi-tool is your perfect companion. From pliers to a mini screwdriver, corkscrew to scissors, it's equipped with everything you need for any task. With dimensions of 1.3 inches in height, 3.6 inches in length, and 1 inch in width, and weighing 6.5 ounces, it's portable yet powerful. Crafted from durable ABS/Celador material, it's built to last. With 33 features in total, including combination pliers, wire cutters, magnifying glass, and more, the Swiss Champ is a true athlete ready to tackle any challenge. Thank you for watching our guide on the best Victorinox knives. We hope you found it informative and insightful. Whether you're looking for a reliable companion for outdoor excursions, a versatile tool for everyday tasks, or a precision instrument for culinary endeavors, Victorinox has you covered. Explore their range of knives and multi-tools to discover the perfect companion for your adventures and endeavors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the latest gear and gadgets. Until next time, happy exploring with your Victorinox knife.